Welcome back to Primetime News and thanks for staying with us. A St. Catherine man is desperately seeking a lifeline after being diagnosed with brain tumor a few months ago. But now he is running out of time and options to save his life. As we hear in this report, his family is seeking just over $2 million Jamaican dollars to give Travis a fighting chance to survive. This is Travis Anderson. The 21-year-old spends most of his days sleeping. After being diagnosed with a brain tumor in March, Travis has not been the same since.
Wake up, I go at them that go run out. I come off my veranda. One time I walk off, I reach right there, so I just feel dizzy and start holding me. Just that I remember.
So the following day, I bring him to doctor. And then they send him to do a brain scan, which he found out that he had tumor in his brain.
That diagnosis upended his life, and Travis has been unable to work. And he has not been able to do the surgery at the University Hospital of the West Indies to remove the tumor.
In which we got an invoice stating that we are to come up with a sum of $800 and something thousand, in which we got the option to do a down payment. We get a payment plan. We went ahead and we did a cake sale and stuff like that. Family members jumped in, family, friends, community members, which we are truly grateful. And when we come up with the money, that was just not enough.
It was at that point his sister, Janae Anderson, said the family was told that Travis needs to do 2 surgeries, which means they needed to find over $2 million Jamaican dollars.
One is called a tumor embolization surgery, in which they would have to block the veins. You understand? Because the veins are bleeding, they have to block the veins in order to do the big surgery. So that is the reason why we are bringing it live, because we are unable to to come up with this amount of money.
Should he receive the over $2 million Jamaican dollars, Travis will have a fighting chance of surviving. But as each day passes by, his condition is deteriorating. We were told he's losing sight in one of his eyes.
I do believe that he deserves a second chance to live. He's very young, and he doesn't even start living any life yet.
If anybody out there willing to help Travis Anderson, please call my number 418-1825.
Persons who wish to help can also donate to the family's GoFundMe under the name Tanya Anderson.